Today we've got a 66 Impala full car PPF. Pretty much everything is done on this except for the roof. And the roof's gonna be a little challenging. It measures 78 by 84. The largest size of PPF that you can currently get on the market is going to be 72 inches wide. So this is going to need some stretch. I think we've got this. Pretty much, I mean, I could work with anybody on this team. They all do a great job. But D likes doing all the weird projects with me, whether it's crazy color changes or, you know, things that don't seem probable. You ready? Okay, so what I got on this rag, we got a ceramic spray. We're only going to hit this section right here. Just because this does need to get stretched. And when we do this big stretch, this is gonna be considered a high point in the installation. The film is naturally gonna start squeegeeing itself, reducing the amount of working time you have and possibly creating grabs. So we do this to prevent that film naturally wanting to just stick in this area while we're trying to stretch this 5 or 6 inches we need to stretch to get this done in one piece. Oh, Patty, dang it, can you get me my soap bottle? Thanks, G.